is Tom Karsh, National Editor with the Packer. I'm at Yakima, Washington, and the headquarters of the Northwest Horticultural Council. I visited today with Chris Schlect, President of the Council, who talked about the FDA produce safety rule and what the industry here in the Northwest hopes to derive from that rule.
Well, we hope when the FDA completes its work, we'll have a safer food supply in general, and that the public will have a lot of confidence in the food supply, and where there are problems, they'll be corrected, and you're never going to have a zero-risk society, especially in food and consumption of food, but certainly we would hope that a system is in place that, again, prevents as much as possible and reassures the public that we do have the safest food supply in the world. Well, there's a few things. Number one, the Congress has required the FDA to prioritize various produce items and other food items on the basis of risk, so that we don't, waste time and money on low-risk items unnecessarily. And we certainly believe our crops are in the low-risk category. We also, so that'll be important for us to get that acknowledged by the FDA in an official way, or at least in how they go about their risk rating system will be of interest to us. We also want to have FDA recognize that there's not a need to have separate food safety standards for all of our specific fruit crops, that apples and pears and cherries and peaches and deciduous tree fruits should come under an umbrella, just like the leafy greens have an umbrella type of approach for the various green vegetable crops down in California. It doesn't make too much sense to us to have a different standard for each one of the separate fruit crops. And then finally, we hope that whatever standards are put in place are reasonable in terms of their application and economics, and that they address whatever perceived danger is out there and not go beyond that danger.